Assalamu alaikum class playgroup daffodils. How are you all? I hope and pray that all of you are fine and doing great at home. So today we are studying English subject and there is a new letter and a new sound that we are going to learn today. Do you know what is this? What is the sound of this letter? Mango, mat, milk, monkey. Okay, again repeat. Monkey, milk, mango, mat, monkey, milk, mango, mat. Okay, let's see what is the formation of this. Starting from this bigger spot, you will join all the dots very carefully. Now tell me, what is the formation of this? Go down, come up, make a bumpty, then another bumpty, and turn a little. Go down, come up, make a bumpty, another bumpty, and turn a little. Now repeat after me, at least repeat 10 times. Go down, then come up, make a bumpty, another bumpty, and turn a little. Go down, come up, make a bumpty, then another bumpty, and turn a little. Good job everyone. I hope you are now able to recognize the picture at least. Now take out your workbook. Now open up your English workbook. So take out page number 6464. Okay, do mention the date at the top, whatever date is today. Okay. So do you know what is the date today? Today is okay, so we have 22/4/2021 and the date is, do you know what day is today? Today is Thursday. Do mention the recorded lesson at the top. So what are the tasks for today? We have to say the sound of the given letter and we have to praise the given letter here. Right now, what is this? What is the sound of this letter? Can you please tell me? Very good. Now, can you spot the given objects? What is this? Monkey, monkey, moon, moon, mango, mango. Okay, so Mars is painting a moon. Wow, Mars is painting a moon. And what is the monkey doing? What? The monkey has taken Mars brushes and he is running. So what you have to do is, first of all, put your finger here. Okay, now starting from this point, we will always start tracing from this point. Okay, come down, go down, come up, make a bumpty, then another bumpty, and turn a little. Monkey. Okay, starting from here. Go down, come up, make a bumpty, then another bumpty, and turn a little. Monkey. That's great. So you have to now color moon and mango. This is your homework. Now I am moving towards another page, 6363, and I will put the date over here. Okay, and I am mentioning the recorded lesson over here. Okay, Now what you have to do is we have to trace here. This is actually a pattern. Okay, this is a so there is a beautiful cake over here. You have to decorate it by tracing the curve patterns by color. You have to trace these three lines with color, and here I am doing it with pencil. Okay, so starting from this point, join the dots very carefully and neatly, one after another, so that you can complete the tracing of these curved patterns. Okay, are you doing it with me? Okay, now we are tracing this pattern very carefully. It will help you to make the letter okay, because it has a bumpty, right? We go bumpty like this. We'll make a bumpty. So I am tracing it very carefully by joining the dots one after another. The pattern is for your practice, so do practice this pattern as much as you can. Okay, now I am joining another. I'm making another bumpty by joining the dots very carefully and neatly. Okay, Bismillah. Okay, so I'm making this curve, okay, by joining the dots very carefully like this. So this is how you have to complete the another two rows, and here I am using a blue color for decorating my cake for celebration. Okay, so you can trace it with a blue color. Oh, teacher has made a mistake, so I'm just rubbing it off, and I am joining the dots very carefully here. Okay, so this is how it will be done. Now you can use another colors for this. That's all for today. Do revise the recognition of this letter and the sound. Okay, I will meet you in the next lecture. Till then, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.
Assalamu alaikum class playgroup daffodils. How are you all? I hope and pray that all of you are fine and doing great at home. As you know that today is 22 of April 2021 and the day is Thursday. So on Thursdays we are going to do some sight reading of these two words. Let's see, what do we have? Bano, 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 Bano. Repeat after me. Bano. You have to say these words while looking at this. Okay? This is our next word. This. 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 Good job. Bano. This. Bano. This. You have to at least repeat 10 times while looking at these words so that you may look at this and recognize it by yourself. I will meet you in the next lecture. Till then, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.